Welcome to Odoo Equipment Warranty Management, the smart solution to track, manage, and renew equipment warranties from one platform. Let's explore its key feature. Configure product warranties by adding warranty details directly to each product for easy warranty management. Track equipment warranties using models and serial numbers and monitor warranty status in one place. Monitor expired, expiring, and renewal warranties through a dedicated dashboard and menus. Manage free and paid warranties and renew or extend warranty period with us. Allow customers to create warranty tickets and manage product-related service requests efficiently. Send automatic email reminder before warranty expiration to ensure timely renewals. Let customers view warranties and submit claims online while managing repairs, invoices, and service history. Generate warranty reports, renewal history, and warranty cards for better business insight. So ready to simplify your equipment warranty management with Odoo? Contact us today at 7805 40446 and email at odoo@devintelle.com.